This video will show you how to pair the pagers and how to change the pager beep time and how to turn off the pager beep. Now let's test. So number 1, press call. We put it back. If we want to change the pager number, we have to go to the setup function. Now we cannot use the setup function. We have to disconnect the power and connect the power. It will show the keyboard ID, and we press back button and call button. We have to do this very fast. It will show F1, and we press 2. It will show F2, and we press call. Now we are in F2. F2 is to change the pager numbers. We can input a new number like 88. And we pick up the pager, and we press call. After we pick up the pager, we have to press the call very fast. Otherwise, it will not work. See, it's not working. We put it back. It shows F2. We press call. It shows 88. We pick up the pager, we press call very fast. See, now the pager number is 88. We go back, input 88, press call. Now the pager number is 88. We can change it back to number 1. Now we cannot use the setup function. We have to disconnect and connect the power. And we press back button, call button. It shows F1, press 2. It shows F2, press call. Number 1, we pick up the pager, press call. See, now the pager number is number 1. Now we will turn off the pager beep. Still, we have to disconnect and connect the power. And we press back button and call button. It shows F1. And we press 4. It shows F4. We press call. It will show number 0. 0 is to turn off the pager beep. Now we pick up the pager and we press call. See the pager beeps. Now we test. Number 1, press call. Now the pager can flash and shake, no beep. If we want the pager to beep again, still we have to disconnect and connect the power. Press back button, call button, shows F1, we press 4, it shows F4, we press call. And now we are in F4, we press number 3. We pick up the pager, we press call. The pager beeps. We go back, we test number 1, call. Now the pager can beep again. Now we change the pager beep time. Still we have to disconnect and connect the power. And we press back button, call button. It shows F1. And we input 3. It shows F3. We press call. Now we are in F3. And now it shows 0. We can change the number to like 20. F3 is to change the pager beep time. 20 means the pager will beep and shake for 20 seconds. Now we can change the pager beep time. We pick up the pager, we press call. The pager beeps. Now this pager will beep and shake for 20 seconds when called.